All right, guys, I am going to show you how to set up your first party and get your first order in. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to the bottom of our website and go to Consultant Login. You will log in with your ID and password, and you will get here. So up here is our banners of all sorts of great information that's going on. Month at a Glance is a fantastic way to find out all the different specials that are going on. And then you as a new consultant have one extra little gadget right here, and it says Get Started with Tastefully Simple. And that's a great spot for you to really explore too. But right now we're talking about starting your first party. So to do that, you can go right here to Parties and Orders. Click there. Then go to Start a Party. You get to choose what type of party it is. When you're doing your very first online or Facebook party or just want to open something up, I always like to start with a catalog party. So we're going to click Catalog and we'll hit Start. The cool thing about Tastefully Simple is you, as a consultant, can be the host for this event. So I'm going to click Yes. And there's my information all right there, and I'm going to click Continue. At this point, you want to put in an order deadline. So this would be the last day where people can place an order. And since if you started, just started, what I would suggest is put 14 days from your start date, because that's when you want your first $200 in. We're going to click Continue. And if you would like, you can add emails to an address book, or if you just want to get to your party overview, go right ahead. Click Go to Party Overview. And there you have it. There is your first party ready to go. Here is the information of the host. The deadline is located here. As orders come in, you will see them right here. Right here is a website link that you can use to share with friends and family, and they can order right online. Let's say you have a friend who's ready to order. All you would do is go to Add Next Order. You would type in the person's name, and if you didn't have a name for them yet, you would just click Add New Contact to Address Book. You can add their email, their phone number, and their address. But the one thing you definitely need is some type of phone number. If you don't have that contact information, you can always just put in 5s for now. On this screen, it will ask you, where is it going to be shipped to? Do you want to put in an address for it to ship to that person? Or perhaps they want to ship it to the host. And then here, or someone else who has already ordered, you can do a drop down and we'll ship it right to the host. Then click Continue. This is the best part. This is where you can either type in an item number. Let's say they want garlic, and you have the item number. And they only want one, and you place it in your cart. But what if they also want a beer bread and you don't know the item number? You can always go to Find Products and search. Part 1 are all of our products. Standard line, seasonal line, and gift packs are right here. Beer bread is part of our standard line. So I'm going to click here and put in 2. I will add it to my order. There you see it, and you can see all of my orders. If that's all I have for now to place, I'm going to click on Go to Party Overview at the top. And I will go back to this page where I just was. If you accidentally X out or get lost, you can always go back to Manage Your Parties by clicking Manage My Parties. And all parties that you have listed will be shown here. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.